real special, like a 250. You know, this is special because none of us will ever make it to the 300. Why? Oh yeah, well in this heat. You guys got your, you can see these better without them big trips. Yeah, but look, last year ours was up there and we had to look out. It was nice and you could just see a clear path. Then shut it off. Are you even watching this? My bugs.
You know, your the fireworks go so well with the ghetto.
Yeah, I know it.
That's the really sensitive.
I'll be glad whenever that goes. He's going to start doing insulation now. And then he can put the metal on. And your roof, or your side, he has to build windows outside on yours. And then you have a couple. You think he has some windows that'll fit them too. Oh, that's cool. Did you see it with the stars? Oh. Oh. Oh, there. Wow. Isn't that amazing? Oh, we can see them so good now in the tree.
Really? I had a hat.
Do.
The pharmacy.
Where do you go to the pharmacy? Oh, we can twice as cheaper.
Well, I don't pay.
Oh, well I know. Oh,
Do it.
okay, I'll tell you. When I pick just my one prescription I have, and that's stuff for my cholesterol. When I pick that up, it only cost me like $6. Oh yeah? You have a good share. Well,
less cholesterol you have up there with the fast.
Well, here's the thing. What they do with me is sometimes I have to have a blood test done, and they measure all that. They do it. And so far, and I had to have an Alzheimer's test when I went to my doctor this time because no, when you make it, when you get a certain age. So she's there. He listens to the test. She's there. I'm going to give you 3 words, Phil. You know, it was daughter, heaven. She's there, and I'll remember those. But we'll go back. And I had to draw a cloth, and then you have to put 10 to 2, stuff like that. And then she goes, now what were those 3 words? Daughter, mountain. She said, we can't pass because you're allowed to make mistakes. You pass, we'll send that on to them. Yep. Medically, you have one after you're 70 years old. But I know a lady that used to go home in her 50s and she so, that can happen at any age. Oh, that's the best thing I think of it.
That's what they're doing for that. They're having some thousand fireworks.
Yeah. Watch though. Tomorrow is when they're having that big thing down there. Watch. There's going to be something happening.
Oh, yeah.
I'll tell you right now.
You'll have some wacko thing.
The hotels are loving it. They're really packed with people. If you're all over the United States. We're only 4 hours away.
2.5.
We can go down and mosey around. I would never go down there. That's going to be crazy. Nice. They said this is their. They said that was the 25th year. When I get a shower and I'm just gonna get all this buggy shit off. Oh, it's only gonna be about 2 minutes. I want to get out of bed. This is the bed. I know. I'm in bed by 9 o'clock. We watch TV. Little TV. We always do. And in the winter, we're in bed by 8:30.
Not the cold old night. Oh man, I'm worried.
I know. Both of them.
Her job lately, she's been going in it.
Yeah, that's a lot of work. It's hard. Most of them have early days, so yeah. They need to get some their sleep.
Jared said they have one site and they got to pick up, what did he say, 1,300 signs, and then they have to go somewhere else and
don't hear you.
signs. Like that?
1,300 signs.
He goes, that's a bunch of shit, man.
Hey, it goes with the job.
He goes, there's no road plan or nothing yet. What are you doing?
Well, they'll let them know. Might be a pain in the ass, but that paycheck's nice.
Should see the lady who did my paperwork on this.
She an old lady. She's the one who goes to.
He said she's okay to go to when she answers the phone. She only accepts cash.
Well, she's from the old school, and that's where they do things.
But her office is something
Boy, what's it look like?
it looks like a holder's office.
Oh my God.
There she is sitting there, and her herself sitting there with a giant giant movement.
Oh, that's I like those little small things. Like little snow things. I hope. It'd be great if they had like the American. But the one down there will in Washington, they have, oh man, that's like an hour and a half.
Oh, yeah, they can afford it.
Oh, Huntingdon does it pretty well. And it's nice to come by your house and watch it.
In case you got a
That's right. Or,
one of my little hope things I made on the
I'll tell you, we just went out and ate because I was going to do that. Why don't we just put it down there on the stove and then saute in the vegetables? I looked at it. It said it's 100 degrees out.
Yeah, we had the air in the car on.
So did we when we were for a little drive. We had.
Now, the water is going to be nice too.
Hopefully leave the index hang like a
And
hundred.
partly sunny. Now they're calling for rain at 8 o'clock.
Well, tomorrow, like I said, we're going to the movies, and then we'll probably just have to go walk around, maybe have to pick up a few things at the store when it's coming out. We went for enough. And then Monday, it's all real bad, Jim wants to get back up on the roof. Look, there's a little squirrel. Oh, it's late. Looks like what it was. When I was in,
Yeah, I say.
yeah.
Okay.
What?
This is a. Why has it been so bad? My solution statement. If it would have been sperm, it would have looked like a mayonnaise jar.
Look at her looking at you like, yeah, oh.
You know this is going on YouTube, right?
Huh? Don't forget the thing about me with the sperm going up in the.
She did the same thing. She's looking at me like, I said, God, right?
Oh, hey, sometimes you gotta go, you gotta go. This big, long, skinny thing out.
As a upstairs, right? One time, stir it up in the sand.
He had, well, if it gets clogged, he has a special stick. And he goes, you know what? He goes, here again. See, I said, I told you. Clog up.
I pity the poor guy. He can't.
Oh my God.
I sent pictures.
Who?
I sent pictures of Tim Booth.
Uh-huh.
He said, "That's nice." He's going to Alaska in 10 days.
Him and his wife.
Just him.
His wife is going to Alaska.
Yeah.
She's a girl.
How much he's got?
Well, his wife is a very, very nice woman there. She'll be staying at home and working. He's going to.
He said he was the next time they're up this way, they'll call us and blah.
And we already had dinner with him. He was Jim's, was one of Jim's bosses. And he has this really nice house, so we're going to bring him up to show him. Lightning bug wants to get in here. That looks like a heart. That was cute. Upside down. There goes another sperm. Look at all the. That one didn't go no place. Oh, that's nice. Look at that red, white, like a. It looks like they're right there, like you can touch it. All on my house.